All right, folks, we are in southeast Tennessee at none other than Greeter Falls. Probably don't know what that is, but it's a tall waterfall here in southeast Tennessee. It's about a half-mile hike. We can get down there, show you some water falling, and just have a good time. There were super heavy thunderstorms last night, and the water is still flowing here. Like, this trail is a river, basically.
Look at you walking in it.
Yeah, these boots were made for walking.
I forget.
Show me a good squish. Good squish. Oh, yeah. This is the most water I've seen on a trail ever. Yeah, when I say there was a huge storm, there was a huge storm. The wind was whistling, I don't know, 50 miles per hour.
No, 80.
80 miles per hour. And it just rained all night long.
Tornado
warnings. It was crazy. So, but we're hoping the falls will be
even
greater with all this water flow. So, fingers crossed. I mean, I'm almost confident considering the trail itself is flowing there. It's a windy day. Oh, it's getting a little bit more treacherous. See? Squish, squish. Bro, so this river done widened out.
I gotta get my shoes.
So this done turned into a full-on river. It's only half a mile, but it's a pretty intense mile here. Oh. Nicely done. I think we're closing in. Look at this white water. It's going dumb over there. You see all that? It's like a mist coming off these rocks. Oh, wow. I don't know if the camera's catching the majesty of this. This is beautiful. It's so windy. This water's just splashing us. It's really pretty. We're not even at the falls yet. I see the water flowing over the edge very quickly. Look at this, y'all. I'm getting wet, but it is so pretty with the way the sun is sparkling off the edge there. This water's just falling. This is really cool. There's Kelsi in the caves. Oh, this is so dope.
Did you remember?
Bro, this is huge.
I see something Greeter Falls.
Little parkour here.
Ooh. That ain't parkour.
Little parkour, you know me. You look so little over there. Kelsi was trying to get a picture of me up there with her wide angle lens, and it made me look like a long boy. Bro, my legs are extra long. Here she goes, parkour legend. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There she is. Onward we go. Coming up on the right turn to the falls. Right there. Just admiring this magnificent rock in the meantime.
I think it's a little cave.
It looks like a little cave. I love caves. I'm gonna go look at it. Ah! I'm getting wet! Ah! God. There's some hard drops right there. No, it's not a cave, but still cool. Ah, some of my glasses! Ah, get out of here! We're on to the main event now. Well, upper would probably be easier, and then we'll come back down to lower. What do you say? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's going crazy today. This is the upper falls. And there is the lower falls, which we'll be going to next. There's even little falls all the way back there. All the way to the big falls. Yep. Going to the lower falls. We got a little spiral staircase here for us. It is quite slippery. Greeter Falls. There it is. Lots of water. We were just up there, the upper falls. Woohoo! Oh my God!
It looks dirty.
I just jumped. Alright.
Oh, that ain't gonna work.
I got you good. Climbed on top of this rock. Right outside the waterfall here. I didn't realize how shaded it was. The sun just came out and it looks Much brighter out here now. Look at this. You got a foothold. I believe in you. Yeah. There you go. People over there going behind this thing. They're gonna get soaked. Look how tiny he is next to that thing. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at the mouth. He's going for a swim. He's gonna get swept away. He needs to stay away. Look at this guy. You did it.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Back up. Kelsi needs me to push her. Look at this banana looking tree. What the heck? Alright, we're leaving Greeter Falls now. And there is a short detour of a hike, a nice little loop to another fall called Boardtree Falls that we're heading to now. Still got plenty of time in the day, so figure we might as well check it out. We're on the other side of the big old rock. And just like that, we finally made it to Boardtree Falls. It doesn't look as big on camera, but this is more magnificent than the other one. And that person just fell in the water. Out. There we are in front of the massive waterfall. I bet it does not look like this unless it rains, which it did, so I'm glad we came when we did. Trying to get behind the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear me. See if I can get behind it, huh? This is crazy. Look at this thing. Alright, I can't get any closer with this mist. It's very wet. Look at that. Kelsi's all the way over there. Alright, now we're at the midpoint of this waterfall. We were at the bottom, but we want to see it halfway up too, so we're going down here. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Bottom. That's the tree. And now I'm at the top. It's a cool little rope bridge. Yeah, I'll get a picture of you. Is he rickety?
Yeah.
It's bouncing. Whoa, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Chilling at the top of the stream now, getting some cool pics.